Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my amazing artists. Kids, hey kiddos, you have to reply back with hello, my amazing art teacher. Still remember that, right? Come on, we know we like a positive vibes. I will start one more time. Hello, my amazing artists. How are you all today? Ready to create. Related to your thematic lesson last Monday about parts of plant, today we're gonna create a potted plant in art lesson. What is a potted plant, Miss Ulfa? It is simply a plant in a pot, like that. Are you ready now? Now prepare your things, the media and the tools needed, and say basmalah. First thing first, always write down your name and class behind the paper. Why? Because when we come back to the school, you have to submit all your work from home. Bring it to school. Don't lose it, okay? Now, second, draw your parts of plant on your origami paper. You know, part of plants. The stem, the leaves, the flower. This is the central of the flower. And of course, the pot. What are we missing? I think we miss one part, which is the roots. The roots is the part that help the plants to stand. Okay, actually we are not missing the root. Why? Because the root will be inside our pot, so we cannot see that. Now when you have finished making all of this, the stem, the leaves, the pot, also the flowers, the inner part, the central of the flowers, you may cut it. Do the magic with your scissors. You can see my video under YouTube channel about cut and stick. You may find it under name Siti Ulfania. Yes, that's my full name, not just Miss Ulfa. Siti Ulfania, about cut and sticking technique. So, after you cut, I have cut mine. You may arrange all your parts and layouting first before you sticking things. Always do the layout. Make it good. Think about the place. Now I will make it like that, and you can stick it assembled all together using your glue. Last thing, this is the last step, is always about detailing. I am adding lines to my petals. Also, you may decorate your pot using another paper like this. This is just an idea. It's up to you. You can also add the butterflies maybe, or watering can, or birds. You may also add the sun, or maybe make a tile underneath this, a mosaic tiles. It's up to you. I will say just go for it because you are the artist. Now you have 2 weeks to create this, so don't rush. I want you to try, and always try. Make it fabulous. That's all for now. We have finished, and let's say hamdalah. Stay safe and healthy, kiddos. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.